If it's okay.
Oh god, I'm making a mess. That's good my mom's not here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Alejandra Rose, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today, we are going to do a 4th of July recipe since tomorrow is 4th of July. I know this is kind of late, I should have done it earlier, but oh well. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. It's a layered blue, red, and white drink. It's non-alcoholic, so let's see if it works. I've layered water with food coloring before in science class and I failed epically, so let's see if I can get this done. So the first thing you're going to need is this cup. So I'll show the picture above or next to me of what it's supposed to look like. We'll see if I can get it there. But this is just kind of like the cup they were using, except this one's a little smaller, and it has a rooster. So we'll try it out. Another thing you're going to need for the blue, I am using Gatorade in Cool Blue. 80 calories. Okay, next, for the red actually goes first and then the blue goes on top. So I'm doing this in the opposite direction. That's okay. The white is going to be Gatorade Glacier Cherry. The recipe used Sobe, it's like the drink, I don't know. But I'm not using that. So the red is going to be Hawaiian Punch that I just made from little packets from the dollar store. And you can get cranberry juice. I think they use cranberry something juice. I'm just using punch because it's the best thing ever. Okay, so let's look at the recipe. I'll put the link below. This is a Pinterest pin that I found. I love to do Pinterest pins, so we'll see if this works. So the first thing they want you to do is to fill 1/3 of the cup with the cran apple juice. Again, we're using Hawaiian Punch because who doesn't love Hawaiian Punch? So my hair is back because, I mean, it's not really no ponytail or anything, but I just don't want to get any hair in this because, yeah, anyway, I don't have to explain this. I am going to mix this one more time just in case. And now, I'm so nervous. Okay. We don't have any paper towels, but that will be fine. I'm gonna pour it in. This is gonna be a bad idea.
Why don't you get a phone? It's gonna get all over.
Oh, no.
Your phone. Did you not hear me? I just said that it was gonna get all over the table.
I think that's about 1/3 of it, or maybe a little more. Okay, so I put too much of the Hawaiian Punch in there, and as I'm putting the ice in, I've realized that. So we're gonna probably dump a little of the Hawaiian Punch out after I fill it up with the ice because I just don't want to do this backwards again. But I'm almost there. I know I'm making a mess. You know, just sometimes you rock and roll and sometimes you don't, you know? Okay, so now I'm just gonna dump the remaining. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the white Gatorade into the cup where I had the ice, just because this part, when I read the instructions, oh goodness graciousness. I got it. Girl, don't sweat it, I got it. Okay, so we're gonna put this in this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the spoon and I'm gonna try my best to put it through the wall of, oh god, this is not good. This is a messy experiment, so if you live with someone who doesn't like mess, or you don't like mess, don't do this, because don't do this in front of them. Just do it when they're gone and then clean, you know. Okay, so it's not turning out how it's supposed to turn out. So I think I put too much of the red at the bottom. So this girl is gonna try it one more time. And if it does not work, then I'm sorry, but at least I tried to do a 4th of July video. So, work. So, how could I put this? Okay, I tried, and I failed. And as many beautiful quotes in the world say, I got up and I tried again. but I failed again. So this is it. I mean, if we mix it, maybe it'll be very tasty. Oops. And maybe it'll actually have some flavor. It tastes like a sour gummy bear. So if you're into sour gummy bears, this is the recipe for you. I tried this. It was no bueno. I don't know how they do this. Like literally, I'll show the picture above or next to me. How do they get it layered like that? I guess I should have listened in science class when we were layering colors, but I didn't. So that was my 4th of July recipe that turned into 4th of July fail. So if you guys enjoyed this video just a little bit, or if you guys laughed at me in this video, give it a like. That's all I can ask for. Or leave a comment of what you guys are going to do for 4th of July. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. Be safe with the fireworks. Remember, forest fireworks don't go together. Please don't be that dummy. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!